Hello, dear student. Today we are study 11th Science subject Physics, chapter number 14 Semiconductor. So, what is the meaning of semiconductor? That is nothing but conductivity of that material is lies between conductor and insulator. So, this is say semiconductor. Then some introductory part about this. Modern life is depends on many electrical gadgets as like cell phone, smartwatch, computer, LED, tube light, in which all common factor, that is device semiconductor, that make them work. Semiconductors have made our life very comfortable and easy. Semiconductor are material whose electrical property can be tolerated to suit our requirement. The next, classification of material on the basis of electrical conductivity. So, classification of the material as like conductor, semiconductor and insulator. So, conductor is a good conductor of electricity and it is electrical conductivity is very high. For example, all metals. Then one particular example, silver, and having conductivity, that is sigma is equal to 6.25 into 10 raised to 7 Siemens per meter. Then second, semiconductor. In semiconductor, conductivity of that material is lies between conductivity of conductor and conductivity of insulator. For example, silicon, germanium. So, conductivity of silicon is 1.56 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Siemens per meter. Then next, insulator. Insulator, it is the bad conductor of electricity and electrical conductivity is very low. Then example of insulator, that is non-metal, glass, rubber, then Teflon. These are the example of insulator. Then having electrical conductivity range 10 raised to power minus 10 Siemens per meter. Then next, the temperature dependence of electrical conductivity of semiconductor can also be tolerated. The next, conductivity of material is depends on crystal structure, nature of atomic bonding, availability of free charges, that is current carrier or electron. And next, semiconductor, for example silicon and germanium, having 4 electron in its outermost orbit. So, elemental semiconductor have very low conductivity, that is too small for any practical purpose. Then in that semiconductor, to adding some suitable impurity, then we can permanently modify their conductivity. This has resulted into different types of semiconductor devices. So next, electrical conductivity of solid. It is ability of material to conduct electricity. So electrical conductivity is nothing but is denoted by sigma, and it is ability of material to conduct electricity. Then also second definition, the reciprocal of electrical resistivity. It is also called as conductivity, electrical conductivity. Then one formula is sigma is equal to 1 upon rho. Then SI unit of this, Siemens per meter. Then second formula of electrical conductivity about this chapter, sigma is equal to nq mu. Here n is a charge carrier density, that is nothing but number of carriers per unit volume, and q is nothing but charge on carrier, and mu is mobility of charge carrier. Then next,